In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a page in Webflow. If you're working on a page that isn't ready, or you need to temporarily remove something from your live site without deleting it, Webflow makes this simple by letting you set a page to draft. Here's how to do it clearly and confidently. First, open your Webflow project in the designer. Make sure you're in the project where the page lives, and that you have any necessary permissions to edit pages. Once the designer loads, look to the left sidebar and open the Pages panel. This is where all your static pages are listed, along with folders and any system pages. Find the page you want to hide, hover over its name and open the page settings. You can do that by clicking the small gear icon that appears next to the page title. This opens a settings panel where you'd normally adjust things like the page name, slug, SEO settings, and more. At the top right of this settings panel, you'll see the main save button. Next to it, there's a small arrow that reveals additional save options. Click that arrow to open the menu. From the drop-down, choose Save as Draft. When you do this, the page is marked as a draft, which means it won't be included the next time your site is published. You'll typically see a draft label in your Pages panel to confirm the change. A quick note on what this actually does. Drafting a page keeps it fully accessible in the designer, so you can keep editing privately, but it prevents the page from being published to your live site. If the page was previously live, it will be removed from the live site on your next publish. Until you publish, the live version won't change, so remember to publish the site to make the draft state take effect. If you ever want to bring the page back, open the page settings again, click the Save button normally to remove the draft state, and publish your site. The page will return to your live site with its latest changes. A couple of helpful tips. Drafting a page is different from simply hiding a link in your navigation. Draft removes the page from publishing entirely. If your navbar still points to that page, visitors may hit a 404, so consider updating or temporarily hiding that link. Also, because drafted pages aren't live, search engines can't access them. Previously indexed versions may linger briefly until search engines recrawl. And that's it. You've safely hidden a page in Webflow while keeping it ready for future edits.